Prime Minister Narendra Modi will hold a virtual meeting with US President Joe Biden today. External Affairs Ministry said the two leaders will review ongoing bilateral cooperation and exchange views on recent developments in South Asia, the Indo-Pacific region, and global issues of mutual interest. Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu has stressed on the need to empower the Panchayat Raj institution for the development of the country. He said this while addressing the National Stakeholders Conference on Localization of Sustainable Development Goals organized by the Panchayati Raj Ministry in New Delhi. Hundreds of people celebrated Shat Sukhman Sem dance across Meghalaya, marking the harvest season and paying obeisance to God. Youths clad in their traditional attire performed during the Shat Sukhman Sem at Jayao's Lumpung Waking Ground on Sunday. The 3-day traditional Thanksgiving dance concluded today. Bala Wansuk Makri has been crowned as Miss Reboy Tourism 2022 at Reboy District. The event was organized by the Reboy Tourism and Environment Development Forum as part of its 10 years anniversary. 6 persons have been rescued while 42 are still trapped as ITBP and NDRF are carrying out the rescue operation in Jharkhand's Deoghar district, where some cable cars on a ropeway collided with each other at Trikut Hills close to Baba Baidyanath Temple.